Hi, here Vianney from makingmoneysendemails.com. So today it's really possible that an artificial intelligence can write our articles, and these articles are even better than the human ones. So one guy made an experiment, just write a long article and published in a blog, in a brand new blog. And this article reached 26,000 of visitors in 2 weeks. So this article was about overthinking. So not something like the royal family or whatever it is, but it was something psychological, not a trending topic, not anything. And it was completely written by the artificial intelligence. So now we are going to see how it's written and how can you benefit from the artificial intelligence. Of course, it's not the solution of writing content. It cannot replace for everything that we want to publish, because as an example, an expert in any niche has to publish content in order to get perceived as an to the people are waiting and are eager to consume your content. But this artificial intelligence can really benefit your writing, because it really scraped the web to find the content, and if we propose it, you can rewrite the article so you can make different version for LinkedIn, for Medium, for your blog, for whatever you want. And it's really awesome and really shocking, but it comes with GP3 intelligence, so the GP3 intelligence. So it's the more advanced artificial intelligence which is developing by universities, whatever it is. So let's go to the video and so we can see how it really performed.
Okay, hi, here Vianney from makingmoneysendemails.com. So as you see this very good article, looks very good, feeling productive. Maybe you should stop overthinking in order to get something done. Maybe we need to think less, etc., etc. It's just a pretty good article. Here's the URL if you want to read it. So just a long article. See, 32 people press love, 43 people comments. Let's see these comments. I never seen them before. Okay, let's see, read excessive, blah blah blah, and this is the new comment, but these all comments. Oh, hello everyone, to share my story. Like to share my story, you're right, etc., etc. So this article was written with AI, which is GPT-3. It's an artificial intelligence which can write English using computer intelligence, and no one has spotted it before it has been made public. Only one actually, but it was brilliant. So here you see the explanation. Okay, as you see here, this was AK News. It was featured. It has been featured in AK News. So here was one of the comment. So only one actually spotted that it was written using AI. But as you see here, maybe you're new here, but your comment punches out the belt and is unacceptable in the community like this. So basically, this guy who really spotted that it was written by using artificial intelligence, has been marked and has been threatened to get kicked out from the AK News community. So it was very well written. And here is the explanation of the experiment. This was basically an experiment using GPT-3 in artificial intelligence. But this was not like a scientist, but a person like you and me. and everyone can use it, because use this ShortlyAI, use this app, this completely in the cloud, which connect to GPT-3 servers, and use this artificial intelligence to write a blog. And now we're going through how it is, how it's working. Of course, I'm an affiliate because it's very, very, very wonderful, and it was pretty a good experiment. So this is my panel, and if I want to write something, I have to choose whether I'm writing an article or blog, or I'm writing a story. So you can either choose if you are writing an article, blog, non-fiction, or you're writing a fiction. But of course you have to use, of course you have to sign up and pay the monthly fee, even if it comes with 3-day trials. So let's see one of the articles I've written. So this is an article written using this. It is a scratch, and of course you cannot let it write and do not tweaks anything or check or whatever, because of course it's not perfect, but it really writes you very well everything. So here, this artificial intelligence has written 2,590 words. You can set if this software has to write a little, somewhere in between, a lot. Okay, and here you have to write basically what this article is about. And of course this is this is about how build email list, which free buy is given to basically the basics of email marketing. It's a test. I want to see how it performs and if it attracts visitor, because this article attracts 26,000 of visitors. So 26,000 of visitors who were not aware about the experiment. Okay, 26,000 of visitors in 2 weeks. So it's very, very impressive. So this what I try to write, and these are the other articles. You can find it. You can find these articles sooner in emailmarketingeasy.com. This is my blog, and let's see how much it costs. So get premium. So this is the annual plan. You can cancel anytime, $24. Okay, and $39. This is a brand new account. So like I've just tried this before, so it's a 40 cheaper if you use the annual billing, but as you see, it's very cheap. No, it's very cheap, and it's constantly improving, because as many people using it here, this AI will improve its capabilities, its strength, its understanding of the language. Okay, so for now it's available in English. You can only write English articles, but I think that it will really expand. So there are even help. Okay, how to quickly create long articles, so generate a lot of ideas fast. Okay, and there are also commands, so you can rewrite something. So you can use it for replacing software like Springwriter or something like this. You can instruct the AI to write something about a topic. If you want to just change the topic in the article, if you want to go in deep in something, and you can extend and develop the selected task. So if it starts writing about a topic that you want to go more deeper and large, you can instruct it to expand or even shorten the text if you want it more concise. So these are the guides, how to create long articles, how to get tons of questions about your article, etc., etc., etc. So I think that it's really worth it. I will probably subscribe for the next month. Again, I have just tried this software, and if you want to try it, you can go in the description, go below. There's my link, basically an affiliate link, um, where you can subscribe and have the 3-day trial with the full features function. So it's not a trial with a limited function. You can use it in all these powers. So you can subscribe and use it for 3 days, and then you have to choose which plans is better for you as well. So it's like premium plan if you want to pay monthly with $40 or annual with $24 per month billed annually. Okay, so there are also fact or much can write. Okay, so there are no any limitation on how many articles and how many things you can write. So it's really, really, really so it can really suit the needs of everyone probably. So for now, so if you want to try it, there's a link in the description. And if you want to really make money online using nothing but emails, go to makemoneysundays.com. The link is in the description too, and you get step-by-step free coaching along with articles, videos on how to make money online using nothing but emails. Okay, so for now is all. Let's go and have a nice day.